Hey, it's Adrian, the CEO of Contact Mapping, and I am so excited to show you how contact mapping will take your Clubhouse experience to an incredibly new level that you have never seen before. So I'm going to use my dad as an example. So let's say I'm sitting in a room with anybody, right? We host rooms all the time. We have a ton of speakers, and as each person comes through the stage, what I do is I pull up their Clubhouse profile just like that, and up in the top right, there's a little button that has 3 dots. And so I tap on that, I tap on share profile, and if I'm on my phone and I also have a Mac computer, I can actually airdrop that profile straight over from my phone to my browser in a new tab. And so now, as soon as I have done that, this is where it gets even more amazing with our contact mapping Chrome extension, because what I can do is I can pull up the Chrome extension, I can actually create a new contact from that Clubhouse profile if they're not already in my phone, or I can connect that Clubhouse profile to an existing contact. But this is where it gets amazing. So have you ever noticed how on Clubhouse people put these amazing bios about themselves, and yet you can't copy and paste that dang thing? Well, with the contact mapping Chrome extension, you never have to worry about that again. You can pull them up, you can click on the button that says clip profile, and as soon as you do that, it pulls the entirety of that amazing Clubhouse bio into your contact mapping notes, where it's now completely searchable. It's all in one place, and this is a game changer. So can't wait for you to try it out. It's so amazing. Click on the button below this video and start playing around with it today. Have a great one. Thanks.